In 1977, we made the first plans for an overland tour through Africa. 37 years later, the dream became reality. We spent 4 years on the road, traveling through 5 continents. Our journey came to a sudden stop in Southeast Asia due to Corona. We have hit the road again, but nobody knows where and when our voyage will end. In the previous episode, we visited a floating market and we saw highlights in Bangkok, including the Grand Palace. When we step out of our hotel, we see 2 employees putting small offers in front of the ghost house that is next to the hotel. It is a common sight in Thailand. It is amazing to see how efficiently tickets are being sold in the bus. The bus journey is somewhat difficult. We are put off the bus halfway through the planned ride to Wat Pho. The bus tour took a bit more time than we had planned. First class we were kicked out of halfway because apparently it didn't go to the end point we had seen, and then we had to wait quite a long time for another bus. Nou, vandaar de verwarring. Maar goed, laten we nu maar doorlopen. Wat Pho is one of Bangkok's oldest temples. It is first on the list of 6 temples in Thailand, classed as the highest grade of the first-class royal temples. It is associated with King Rama I, who rebuilt the temple complex on an earlier temple site. It became his main temple and is where some of his ashes are enshrined. The temple was later expanded and extensively renovated by Rama III. The temple complex houses the largest collection of Buddha images in Thailand, including a 46-meter-long reclining Buddha. The temple is considered the earliest center for public education in Thailand, and the marble illustrations and inscriptions placed in the temple for public instructions have been recognized by UNESCO. We attend a Thai dance performance that was included in the tickets to the Grand Palace bought yesterday. In the restaurant where we have lunch, we are served by a robot. In the evening, we eat in an Indian restaurant. We understand how they can maintain such an extensive menu with only 4 tables when we see the constant flow of Grab mopeds. Grab is a dominant Southeast Asian variant of Uber. Today we're leaving Bangkok and we're going to plot stop in Pattaya. Before we leave, we withdraw money. It is no surprise that the withdrawal fees are high and the same for all banks. The campsite plot stop was set up by two former Overlanders, David Goodchild and his partner. David helped us with the border crossing and insurance for Thailand. We have a new household battery installed because the old one has failed after 8 years. A camping staff member volunteers to join us at the shop. Yeah?
Him test for you first. This which heavy more than this. This better. Yeah.
Why is it better?
I don't know. Him told me.
The shop staff offers to install the new ones. We happily say yes. The difficult access of the batteries is an unpleasant surprise for them. We are planning to move on to Chanthaburi today. Chanthaburi is some 150 kilometers southeast of Pattaya. We found a campsite on the internet which looks nice in the pictures. A national park where we can make a walk is nearby, and also the town is supposed to be pretty.
Good morning, how are you? Good?
We are stopped by the police. Usually they are just curious. They check the driver's license to have a reason to stop you. It can be useful to greet them with a fancy sentence. They may just let you go if they aren't in the mood for a difficult conversation in English. The campground is nice with lots of grass and trees. Because it starts to thunder, we don't go far from the campsite anymore. We only take a walk in the immediate vicinity. It is all cultivated land, but very varied. Today we will go to the Phlio waterfall in Namtok Phlio National Park. But let me demonstrate first how we changed the bed in Brave Dodo from night position to day position. From the entrance of the national park there is an asphalt road and a nature trail. We are on our way to the waterfall, and unlike the Thais, we have not taken the shortest direct asphalt road, but the nature trail instead. And that's about 45 minutes for 1200 meters, so it's going up quite steeply here. Nou, we moeten allemaal hier met een klein stukje met touw naar boven. Dus we gaan even weer even kleurtje. Nou. reach the waterfall without damage. From the park we drive to Chanthaburi. We take a look at the gemstone market that is held every weekend. We see rows of tables with worked and unworked stones and with men with a tray and a calculator to value gemstones. We also make a walk in the old part of town to the cathedral. In the next episode, we travel to Cambodia.